Say hello to crispy Nashville hot chicken. Irresistible flavor and enormous portions. Mega hunger? Meet the Mega Sando. Only at Hangry Joe's. Are you hangry? Hangry Joe's Hot Chicken and Wings.
アメリカに100店舗ある角買いバーガー日本上陸。8月8日に日本1号店がオープンしたハングリージョーズはオープンしたての綺麗な店内。このお店は鶏胸肉を独自のスパイスで3日間漬け込んだプレミアムバーガーのお店で、小さいサイズもあるけど一番のおすすめはこのアメリカンサイズ。わーでっかーい。しっかり辛さのある旨辛味で、外はザクザクで中はしっとりジューシー。これにニンニクやバターをたっぷり使ったハングリーソースをがっつりかけちゃう背徳感半端ないハンバーガー。うわ重たいこれ。片手でも食べやすいラップもあったよ。
Today we're checking out Hangry Joe's Hot Chicken in Chantilly, Virginia. This is my go-to for anything chicken sandwich or Korean fried chicken in the Northern Virginia area. They have chicken and waffles, chicken sandwiches, chicken wings, homemade boba tea, and they have a really nice sit-in area as well. These are the loaded chicken fries, and then here is the chicken sandwich combo, medium spice level. Huge chicken sandwich. All right, y'all, don't have much time. I had to visit one of my favorite spots, Hangry Joe's Hot Chicken. They're all over the Northern Virginia, DC, and Maryland area, but I'm in the one in Chantilly, Virginia. Hangry Joe's Hot Chicken has been a favorite of mine. They have amazing chicken. They have Korean fried chicken. They have chicken sandwiches, chicken and waffles. They even have homemade boba tea. We're going to start off with the loaded fries that I got. It's basically waffle fries, jalapenos, their sauce, and I got the medium flavor. Let me tell you guys something. These hot fries, always here. Look how beautiful that is. Bismillah. When I tell you guys these are my favorite like loaded fries from any chain, this is. Yo, hear that crunch? Oh my god, so good. Let's get that pickle in. Oh yeah. Here's a close-up of the waffle fry you get. So I got the combo, chicken sandwich, fries, and a drink. It's $12.99. Oh my god. Quality ingredients. But not least, here is the fried chicken sandwich, medium flavor with their Hangry Joe sauce on it. I get the coleslaw on the side because if you leave the coleslaw on there, it makes this sandwich really soggy. So here we go. Bismillah. Oh my god. This chicken sandwich is so big you can't even bite it normally. So Hangry Joe's Hot Chicken. Like I said, they're all over Northern Virginia. Oh, that spice is coming in just a little bit. Oh my god. Check them out.
I'm going to be sweating. It's on fire, and I'm freaking out. Tell me something, girl. Are you eating in this boring world? Or do you need more? Nashville hot chicken you've been searching for. Hangry Joe's. This is so bad. This is stupid.
Don't waste another smile, 'cause the fun's about to start. We got love in all our hearts.
Now that was cringe, but I've been starving myself all day and I am no longer hungry, I'm hangry. And I have to go and get some food, but I don't think I'm dressed for the part. So hold on. Much better outfit and a perfect fit for today's main event. It's Hangry Joe's Hot Chicken, and it's time to get our chicken sando on. Hangry Joe's Hot Chicken. There are locations now all over the place. The original one over in Fairfax. Today we're at the one in Oakton because it's a little less crowded and I'm dressed like this and I don't want people to see me. This is my first time eating here, so let's go inside and see one of the hottest food items in Northern Virginia. See if it's good. Let's go. When you place your order, they have 6 different heat styles. I went with the hot one. Warning popped up on the screen, but if you go with the angry hot, you have to sign a waiver. So here it is, the Hangry Joe's chicken sandwich. You get that giant piece of chicken, and the heat is kind of built into the chickens. Usually comes with pickles. You can get coleslaw as well. And then they also have their special sauce, which is different from the heat. And then of course the French fries, which are these waffle fries. It's not like a regular French fry. It's got that like spiced up breading. It's time for the first bite. We're gonna take it right from the middle. And that's a thick chicken. It's a little less sloppy than some of the other hot chicken sandwiches. It's all staying here on the bun. It's not falling off. It's not like dripping sauce. It's on fire. It's all gone. And I'm freaking out. Now that is a big sandwich. It's a giant, thick piece of chicken. It is very, very filling. And I've got a couple bites left, but I don't think I can do it right now. So I'm gonna take this home. So what does this old chunk of coal think about Hangry Joe's? I love how the sauce isn't too saucy on the chicken. The hot was hot. It actually wasn't as hot as some of the other places. And overall, the taste is great. Man, I feel like a woman. Stand by your man.